Hey everyone, welcome to another session of CeerazzleDazzle Physics. In today's session, we're going to be proving the equation displacement is equal to u plus v divided by 2 times by t. This is the fourth equation of motion. So the other equations are as follows. We've seen them before, but here's a nice recap. So we've looked at other equations so far. The first equation is going to be v is equal to u plus at. The next equation I proved, and you can watch my video in which I've done it, it's going to be S is equal to ut plus a half at squared. The third equation, which I've proved as well, watch the other video, it's going to be v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. Right, today we're going to prove the fourth equation, S is equal to u plus v divided by 2 times by t. So we'll start off with the following graph. Okay, so let's say I gave you a velocity time graph, and I said to you, what does the area represent? Hopefully from GCSE physics we can remember that the area under a velocity time graph represents the displacement, because the area is equal to the integral of velocity times by time. And we know that velocity is equal to displacement over time. Therefore, displacement is equal to velocity times by time. So the area is equal to the integral of velocity times by time, which is equal to the displacement. So the area under this graph, everyone, is equal to the displacement. Okay, so we know that the area is equal to the displacement. So to work out the displacement, I simply find the area under the line. So I can split that into two parts. It's the area of the triangle plus the area of the square. So it's the area of triangle plus area of the square. So therefore, area of the triangle is going to be half times by the base. What's the base of that triangle? It's t. Times by the height of the triangle. Have a look. It's going to be v minus u. The area of the rectangle is going to be u, yes, times by t. So ut. Make sure you know where I've got those values from. So we know that displacement is equal to the area of the triangle plus the area of the rectangle. So the area of the triangle is a half t times by v minus u, and the area of the rectangle is going to be u times by t. Right, let's expand the brackets out. So S is equal to a half TV minus a half TU plus UT. So now we've got, on this side here, we've got UT and UT over here. We can add them together. So therefore S is equal to a half TV. So minus a half plus 1 is going to be equal to positive TU. There we go. Then we can group like terms together. So the displacement is equal to half and t, and it's going to be v plus u. Okay, last step, guys. Just going to scroll down a bit over there. So what does that end up being? That ends up being, I can put the 2 underneath. So S is equal to t v plus u divided by 2. Mathematically. Okay, and that is our last equation of motion. It's going to be v plus u divided by 2 times by t. So this is our last equation of motion. But what exactly is this in simple terms? How would you describe that to someone? So the final speed plus the initial speed divided by 2. What exactly is that? Think about if you had the speed at the start, speed at the end, and you divided it by 2. What are you working out? Hopefully we can identify that is called the average speed. So this bit over here is called the average speed. So this is the average or velocity, average velocity. Wonderful stuff. So we've done another formula now. And sometimes, obviously, guys, they might put the t on opposite sides. So you have S is equal to v plus u divided by 2 times by t. There we go. So just to summarize, we have now done our 4 equations of motion. We can now add it to the top. So look, we can now do, there we go. Our fourth one is obviously the one we just worked out. S is equal to u plus v divided by 2 times by t. There we go. It's a bit messy now. Let's clear some bits over there. There we go. And just erase that for us. So we've now got 4 equations of motion. make sure you can use this in your A-level, especially when you're solving problems. Make sure you have them ready at hand so you can just throw them out whenever you need them. They are in the formula booklet, so don't worry about it, but you should be able to prove them all. And obviously watch all my videos and you'll be able to find out how to do them. Right, so that's it for another session, guys. As you see you next time, make sure you like and subscribe to my video. Ciao, ciao, goodbye, and good luck.